All right, so we had a little bit of a fun day today. Customer reached out on Instagram. They're going down to LA for a truck show, taking this really nice T880 dump down there to show it off, but they got into a bit of, I don't even really know what happened. I know it got damaged, right? So up in here, you can see the before photos and the after photos up on that rail, and right before it had got scratched. It was pretty deep. It was actually up underneath the clear and everything else, and actually went a little bit into the metal. So we took it, we body worked it today, got the body work done, got it pulled in, I don't know, about 3 o'clock. Right now it's about 4:40. So we're done. I've had the heater on it and stuff, pulled it off. It's pretty much ready to go when he's got to take it. Ideally, I want him to sit as long as he can before he has to take off, just because the clear, I use the faster clear, but it's still gonna have time to try and flash off as much as it can. But this is pretty much it. Take a look at it. I mean, I think it came out pretty good. You can't tell that it was damaged, so it should fly. And now they can get down and go do their truck show and go from there. I mean, ideally, I would love to be able to let it dry, cut, buff it, denib it, all the stuff we normally do. But you know, you want it in less than 4 hours. It's gonna be what it is. So, all right.